Imagine if you could hire a team of AI assistants that work 24/7, never sleep, never ask for a raise, and handle all your repetitive tasks automatically. That's exactly what KnowM.ai promises, a platform where you don't just get another chatbot. You get a whole ecosystem of AI agents designed to support sales, service, content creation, and business automation with no coding required. Before we jump in, make sure you follow this page and subscribe to the channel so you never miss honest reviews like this. And after watching, let me know in the comments if you want a complete tutorial on how to set up your first Noem agent. Now let's dive into Noem.ai. KnowM.ai is an AI platform that lets you build and deploy autonomous AI agents called Noems that are trained to do real work for your business. These aren't simple question and answer bots. They are specialized assistants that can handle tasks like content creation, customer support, and even data research. Instead of repetitive work bogging you down every day, KnowM.ai enables these AI agents to run those tasks for you so you can focus on strategy and creativity. And the best part, you don't need to write a single line of code to get started. Once you create your account, you can choose from pre-trained Noems like blog writers, social media post creators, video script generators, and general chatbots, or you can train your own custom agent for more specific needs. One of the big strengths here is automation. You can assign Noems to automatically generate content calendars, write SEO-friendly blogs, create short-form or long-form videos, and even design images or ads for you. It's like having a creative department built into one platform. KnowM.ai also builds AI chatbots that adapt in real time, understand customer intent, and can be used across your website, SMS, WhatsApp, and social media direct messages, meaning customer support can run around the clock without human staff. If your goal is to automate sales and lead qualification, KnowM AI's agents can handle that too. They can engage prospects, ask qualifying questions, and even help onboard new clients, all without you intervening manually. A cool feature is automatic posting. You can generate posts and schedule them straight to platforms like Instagram, LinkedIn, or X without leaving the platform. That saves huge amounts of time for creators and marketers. Now, let's talk pricing and access. Through AppSumo, you can get lifetime deals on KnowM.ai with different license tiers, each offering more tokens and features depending on your business needs. Licenses typically include thousands of tokens per month to spend on tasks across bots and automations. Users have reported that onboarding and training these AI agents is surprisingly intuitive, and customer support is responsive, sometimes walking new users through setup, which helps flatten the learning curve. However, KnowM.ai isn't perfect. Some creators note that advanced integrations with other tools or complex workflows can require extra setup effort, and occasionally agents might use more credits than expected for certain tasks. The experience you get also depends on the license tier you choose. Higher tiers unlock more powerful custom agents and greater monthly token limits, which is worth considering if you plan to rely heavily on automation. One standout part of KnowM.ai is the video creation workflow. You can choose topics, customize content, apply background music and styles, and have the platform render complete videos, a feature that can accelerate your content production significantly. Imagine saving hours every week on social posts, blogs, video scripts, and support tickets. That's the real value KnowM.ai aims to deliver. Instead of doing the repetitive work yourself, these AI agents help you scale faster. So, who is KnowM.ai best for? If you're a small business owner, creator, marketer, or team leader struggling with daily tasks that drain your energy, this platform can be a major productivity booster. It's also useful for anyone who wants to grow their content strategy without hiring a large team of specialists, or for solopreneurs who want to compete with larger brands in automation. The setup process is straightforward. Choose the task you want to automate, assign a Noem, provide context or data, and watch as the AI begins delivering results. Over time, these agents can learn and optimize based on the feedback you give. Noam, AI's mission is to free business owners from repetitive busy work so you can put your time where it truly matters, like strategic thinking, innovation, and growth. To wrap up, KnowM.ai is a powerful all-in-one platform that blends intelligent automation, content creation, customer support, and business workflows into a unified tool, and it's continuously improving with new features and agent capabilities. If you found this review useful, don't forget to follow this page, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment below telling me if you want a full step-by-step KnowM.ai tutorial to get started. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.